Hi friends, in this video, we will delve deeper into the various arithmetic operators available in Python. Arithmetic operations can be performed using the following arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiply, divide, integer divide, mod, and power. Let us go through these operators in detail, starting with the addition operator. The values of numeric operands can be added using the addition operator. For example, 2 plus 3 returns 5. On adding an integer 2 to a floating point number 3.0, we obtain a floating point number 5.0. In case of string operands, the addition operator joins the strings. For example, ed plus punk results in the concatenated string EdPunk. In case the operands are of type list or tuple, the addition operator creates a new list or tuple containing items of both the operands. For example, let us add two lists, one containing items 1 and 2 and the other containing items 3, 4 and 5. As a result, now we will obtain a list containing all the 5 items 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Moving on to the next operator. The minus operator subtracts the value of right operand from the value of left operand. For example, 2 minus 3 returns minus 1. Similarly, 10 minus 3.0 returns 7.0. Moving on to the next operator. The multiplication operator multiplies the values of numeric operands. For example, 2 into 3 returns 6. Similarly, 2 into 3.0 returns 6.0. If one of the operands is of type string, list or tuple, the multiplication operator returns a sequence self-concatenated the specified number of times. For example, string ed into 3 returns a string where ed is repeated 3 times. Similarly, if a list containing integers 1 and 2 is multiplied by 3, the result is a new list containing 1 and 2 repeated 3 times. The next operator is the division operator. It divides the value of operand on left by the value of operand on right and returns the real number quotient. For example, 6 divided by 2 returns the real number output 3.0. Similarly, 5 divided by 2 returns 2.5. Moving on to the next operator. The floor division operator divides the value of operand on the left by the value of operand on the right and returns the largest whole number which is less than or equal to the real number quotient. For example, when 6 is floor divided by 2, it returns 3. In case any operand is of floating type, the result is a floating point number with fractional part as 0. For example, when 5 is floor divided by 2.0, it returns 2.0. Moving on to the next operator. The modulus operator is used to fetch the remainder left after floor division of the left operand by the right operand. For example, 5 mod 3 returns 2, as when 5 is divided by 3, it leaves 2 as the remainder. Similarly, 6 mod 4.0 returns 2.0. In this case, the remainder is of type float, as one of the operands is of type float. The final arithmetic operator is the exponentiation or power operator. This operator raises the left operand to the power of the right operand. For example, 5 to the power 2 is equivalent to 5 square, hence it returns 25. Similarly, 2 to the power zero point 0.5 is square root of 2, hence it returns 1.4142.